Hey guys, Chris here with the Keyless Shop. Today we're showing you how to change a battery on a BMW Smart Key. This is for your 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, your new BMWs, 3 Series, 4 Series, 5 Series. And the way you change the battery is the first thing you're going to do is press this little button right here on the back, and that's going to pull your emergency key right out. You just press that and the emergency key slides out. This is where you have to do it right, because it looks like there's like a little crevice here that you would put that in there and pop it open, but that's actually not the case. The way you have to open it is you're going to use the emergency key, and you're going to put the emergency key right in this little hole right here, and you're going to put pressure, and you're going to see, you see how that clipped, and now that back face just pops right off, and then there's the battery. And it takes a 2450, not a very common battery. Usually, I don't know, you probably can't find it at Home Depot because it's pretty rare. Only the BMWs use it and the Volvos, but it's the 2450. And then you just put it in with the plus side facing up, and then when you put this back on, you just put that in first right there, and then clip it in place. You'll hear it clip. Then put your emergency key back in, and you're done.